Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 7 social science class and we are studying history. We have completed the chapter where, when and how, and today we will start its exercises. We will complete A, B and C exercises today. A is tick the correct option and there are 4 questions in this point. Number 1, who wrote the Akbarnama? There are 4 options and you have to choose the correct one. Who wrote the Akbarnama? A. Barani, B. Abul Fazl, C. Jahangir or D. Badauni. And the correct option is Abul Fazl. Abul Fazl wrote the Akbarnama. Number 2. Archaeology is the study of. Archaeology is the study of, and the options are music and painting, historical remains, coins or trade. First of all, you have to know the definition of archaeology. Archaeology is the study of past on the basis of material remains that people have left behind. It is a study of material remains. And here is material coin. So the correct answer will be coin. Number 3. When did the medieval period begin in India? 9th century AD, 10th century AD, 8th century AD or 7th century AD? So the correct answer is 8th century AD. Because you know the medieval period fall in India from 8th century to 18th century AD. So it began in 8th century. Number 4. The Chinese refer to India as. Chinese refer to India as Inde, Hind, Tinchu, Indi. And the correct option is Tinchu. B. Fill in the blanks. Marco Polo was a. Who was Marco Polo? He was a foreign traveler. He was a foreign traveler. Marco Polo was a foreign traveler. Number 2. The autobiography of Babur is called. The autobiography of Babur is called Tuzuki Babri. It is called Tuzuki Babri. Number 3. Literary sources can be classified into indigenous and foreign. It can be divided into 2 parts, indigenous and foreign. Number 4. The Turks came from where the Turks came? They came from the northwest. The Turks came from the northwest. C. True, false. Number 1. The medieval period stretched between 2nd century and 18th century. This is wrong. It stretched from 8th to 18th century. This is false. Archaeologists write history by studying literary sources? No, this is false. Archaeologists write history by archaeological sources. So, this point is also false. The Aryans used the term Sapt Sindhu for India? No. They used Aryavrat. For India. So, this point is also false. Barani wrote the Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi. This is true. Inscriptions are literary sources. Inscriptions are literary sources. This is false because inscriptions are the archaeological sources. So student, this was your exercise. We will complete D and E in next video. Complete your exercises in your notebook and buy your book if you have not buy yet. Take care children. Goodbye.